Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe Tiranga Rava Dhokla. Ingredients: suji, curd, salt, sugar, baking soda, green peas and carrots. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of suji. Add half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, 1 pinch of baking soda, 3/4 cup of yogurt and add small cup of water and mix it well and rest it for 20 minutes. For making other two colors, use green peas and carrots. Make them into puree. Add the batter to the respective colors. Keep the idli cooker on the stove and add 1 cup of water and heat it. Take a bowl and apply oil to it. Cook the batter layer by layer with cooking time of 5 minutes, each in medium flame. Let it cool completely. Flip the bowl into the plate. Keep the pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add cumin and mustard seeds, half tablespoon of sesame seeds, and tempering into dhokla. Tiranga Dhokla is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen. For latest videos, please hit the bell icon for notification.